Hello everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So just a quick video on after cleaning up all the thatch. As you can see, we see a lot of soil. This is good. It's gonna be great for our next step. We're gonna do our core aeration and we're gonna do our seeding. So just to give you an idea of how much material that little Sunjo removed. Normally when I mow, the bagger fills up about once for the whole yard on a typical mowing day. Since today we did a scalping, we cut a lot lower than we normally mow. So we removed a lot of the ordinary grass. That was about 2 loads of the bagger that I have. Now after dethatching and doing the cleanup, I filled these bags up 4 times. 4 times I had to empty this bagger. That just goes to show you how much dead material, how much thatch, how much dry grass you have in your lawn. And keep in mind, I dethatched last year also. So that little Sunjo dethatcher does the work. All right, we'll move on to our next step, which is going to be our core aeration. Get everything set up. I'll show you how this works, and we'll pull some plugs out of the ground. All right, thanks again. Please like and subscribe. Take care.